Hi my followers, this is Magas Ezekiel and today we are going to discuss about the linguistic analysis of mathematical terms. As I always say that language is a picture, is a window to which we understand almost all knowledge, practically all knowledge. And I understand that most of the students who fail mathematics and other field of studies is because they lack understanding, a linguistical understanding of the knowledge of of that certain field. Okay, let us give an example for a mathematics student who will be said like, let me give the root of the quadratic equation. Let me say it: ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, let us say it. The based on quadratic equation, we say the first term is what the first term contains what the coefficient. And what does it mean for a term to have a coefficient? And you know, most of the students who are studying mathematics, in specific in Nigeria or in Africa country, we fail mathematics because we do not understand the language of mathematics. It is very easy for a student of mathematics to solve an equation but fails to understand the language that lies behind the equation. Like if we are now asked to move the constant to the right hand side, that is the first method in solving this equation by completing the square. We should move the constant to the right hand side. Number one, when we say the constant in mathematics, the term constant, the language of the term constant in mathematical term or register, it means that it is a what? It is a number that does not have any unknown value. And when we say unknown value, we mean a value that is not certain. Like in this equation, we have what? How many unknown value? We have only one unknown value because we assume a, b, c are all what? Are all real numbers, where x is what? An unknown, because what? The value of x is not certain. So basically, since a, b, c are numbers, are real what? Numbers, then what? C is what? The constant, because what? Ax square contain what? An unknown value, and also bx also contain an unknown value. Then when you are asked to move c to the right hand side, that is unknown, we are basically telling you that the number that lies, that does not have any numerical value, or should I say alphabetic value, that is the unknown. It can be gamma, theta, whatsoever written beside it, what? That number is what we call what? A constant in mathematics. And also, when you are asked to, all right, let me say it, and when we are asked to discuss about, let me say it, in quadratic equation, that's a theory. You should multiply the middle term by half and square the half. Like in this context, you should move what? The c to the right hand side, that is ax squared plus bx is equals to minus c. As we always know that when a number crosses a sign of inequality, it tends to what? If it is positive, it tends to negative. All right, next, you should divide both sides by the coefficient of what? X squared. When we said coefficient, we mean what? A number. So then when we are talking about coefficient, we mean what? A number that lies behind what? An unknown value. So these are some of the what? Linguistical terms. These are some of the linguistic mathematics register you should understand. So understanding language does not really rely on the studying of linguistics, but it applies to other fields of knowledge. Thank you. Continue following me as we explore more on linguistics. Thank you.